Morning, friend. Just thought before I left, I would show you this real quickly. Huge storm last night, so I'm surprised anything's standing at all. I haven't been in here for a couple days, so I don't know if this is fresh or not. But we had a really strong storm last night, so that forest is a mess. So I was not expecting to see anything really. So just thought I'd show you guys this. It's interesting, that's for sure. Come on, baby. Come on. Sweetie. It's interesting because I wonder if it was used due to the storm last night. I don't know. It's interesting. I've never seen one like this. I know I've been saying that a lot, huh? I don't know. Cyber, come on. Sorry. Very jerky. I'm on the Cyber. Anyways, really cool. Let's see the inside real quick before I leave you. The sun's coming out. Won't be long before it storms again. But anyways, hope you all have a beautiful day. Cyber's day. Check the forest out. Bye. Have a beautiful weekend.